Welcome to Task 3.1 Workflow. Task 3 hardware can seem long and intimidating, especially if you're not sure what you are doing. The workflow diagram hopes to help you figure out what you need to do in this section. The fundamental question you are asking yourself at the start of this task is, does my computer meet the recommended hardware requirements? So I've outlined 3 possible answers and what you should do in response. The first possible answer is yes. If you answer yes to this question, then you can proceed on to task 4, operating system. If the answer is no, you'll need to remedy. So what to do? So you'll go straight to section 3.5, what to do if your computer does not meet the recommended hardware requirements. And if this is the case, there are several considerations that you might want to think about. The first one is obviously cost. The second one is how much time you have left in school. The third is kind of coming up with a balance between the costs and how much time you have left in school. And it may be that you're only a second and third year and your computer cannot meet the recommended hardware requirements. And if that is the case, you'll obviously need to purchase a new computer. And if you do need to purchase a new computer, the third possible answer could be I don't know. And chances are many people will answer I don't know, especially if you don't know a lot about your computer. So if you answer I don't know, we kind of give you a quick crash course on understanding your computer's hardware. Now all computer hardware is going to be slightly different configuration, but the concept is going to be pretty much the same. Then we move on to 3.4, how to tell if your computer meets the hardware requirements. So in this section we go into obtaining Belarc. Belarc is a reporting software. It will scan your computer and tell you exactly what kind of hardware is in your computer. And then we go into 3.4.4, which is comparison, and this will allow you to compare your hardware with the recommended hardware. Once you're done with that, we're hoping that you should be able to answer this question, does your computer meet the recommended hardware requirements? And the answer will be yes or no. If your answer turns out to be no, we do give some suggestions on what to do if your computer does not meet the recommended hardware requirements. Kind of walk you through that a little bit. But hopefully your answer will be yes, and you can move on to task 4.